explain on OSI model.
Well, why we need a OSI model is required. Let's see guys.
Before going to explain on OSI model, we need to know this. Before transferring the data from one PC to another PC, we have a process or a operation. That is why OSI model is required. Well, OSI model is used to understand how the data is transferred between one computer to another computer in a network. For example, if you see guys, one PC has a based on Microsoft Windows and another one has a Mac, that is media access control. It is a 48-bit address. OS installation, how these computers are communicate with each other.
To OSI model, it has 7 layers. See, the first one is application layer, the second one is presentation layer, the third one is session layer, the fourth one is network layer, and the fifth one is a transport layer, and sixth one is data link layer, and the seventh one is a physical layer. These are all the 7 layers of OSI model. Let me see. So in OSI model, all the 7 layers, the top 3 layers called it as upper layer, those are application layer, presentation layer, session layer. The below 4 layers call it as lower layer, those are transport and network, data link and physical. These 4 layers called lower layers. To the first one, application layer. It is used by network applications, means computer applications that use internet like Chrome, Firefox, Outlook, Skype. So in the application layer, the process is it can translate numbers into the machine understandable language, that is the binary language. Coming to the second one, presentation layer. Before transfer the presentation layer, here the process is going on, that is the reduce the number of bits. It reduce the number of bits is called the data compression. Coming to this presentation layer, it has mainly compressed the data and it has a translation and the encryption and description. Here the SSL and MIME protocols are worked here. Coming to the third one, session layer, it is responsible for establishing and managing and terminating the sessions. In session layer, 3 protocols are worked here, that is PPTP point-to-point tunneling protocol and L2TP layered tunneling protocol and NetBIOS means network basic input and output. These protocols are working in the session layer. Coming to fourth one, transport layer, it is responsible for end-to-end delivery of entire message. And also it is responsible for segmentation and it has a flow control and error control to the data. In transport layer, here the data is transferring bits-wise, that's why it is also called as core layer. Here the UDP and TCP protocols worked. UDP means user datagram protocol and TCP means a transmission controlled protocol. Coming to fifth one, network layer. Here the data segments are, it works from transport layer. Here the data in the form of packets is called network layer. In network layer, IP and internet protocol, IPsec, ICMP, internet control message protocol and router and layer 3 and switch. These all protocols are working in the network layer. Coming to the functions of network layer, logical addressing, path determination and routing. Coming to sixth one, data link layer. Here the data receives from the fifth layer, that is network layer. Here the data is node to node delivery of frame. Here the data in the form of frame. Data link layer, it has mainly 2 basic functions, those are MAC and LLC. Here PP point to point and HDLC high level data control and switch layer 3 and network interface card. These protocols working under the data link layer. Coming to seventh one, physical layer. Here the data in the form of bits. So the bits converted into the signals. So these signals transfer over the media, means finally we got the signals in the form of media. So finally, in the application layer, the data in the form of bits. So in first one layer to all the 7 layers, step by step, in order to a complete and successful communication between computer and the inbuilt the computer architectures, these 7 layers are working in the form of bits to the finally we got it as a media, that is a physical layer. So this is about the 7 layers of OSI model.